Hello, my name is Irtiza and today I am going to be presenting about Catalytic Converter 2.0. My group members were Thinal, Wasif and Duin. So, what is our idea? Our idea may be possible in further future. Our idea is to design a catalytic converter that turns the carbon dioxide into oxygen. This is quite a challenging concept and technologies for such processes are under development, but it is possible. What does this concept do? The catalytic converter changes carbon dioxide emissions into clean oxygen for people and animals to breathe from. The CO2 emissions coming from cars and other vehicles are collected, and in exchange, clean oxygen is produced for people. On average, a typical passenger car produces about 4.6 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year. We believe that with this concept, global emissions carbon dioxide will decrease, which can help people and animals having an increased lifespan. Our aim: as the global warming situation continues to worsen, the need for more eco-friendly vehicles are increasing. However, as of now, electric cars are expensive, but most people can't afford such vehicles. Not only that, to get a good range with one charge, you will have to make a lot of money. That much money is enough to buy a luxury car. So here are two examples. One is a Tesla Model 3, which uses electricity to run, and one is a Toyota Corolla, which uses petrol. The starting price for Tesla Model 3 is $159,000, and the starting price for the Toyota Corolla is $71,000. On a range of single charge, the Tesla Model 3 can go up to 403 kilometers. You might think that's impressive, but the Toyota Corolla can go up to 910 kilometers in a full gas tank. Obviously, people would buy a Toyota Corolla because it's much cheaper and go much further in a full tank. But Toyota Corolla contributes to global warming, and that will be the reason for climate change. The catalytic converter is much cheaper that could be put in the vehicles without worrying about the electricity running out. So, how does it work? Well, first we need to understand the purpose of a catalytic converter and how a catalyst converter works. A catalytic converter is designed to complete molecules made from incomplete reactions from the engine, making the gases produced less dangerous. This is done by bonding or separating molecules. A catalytic converter is made of ceramic. For the basic structure, it gets warm, allowing the reactions within the catalytic converter to take place. Platinum, palladium, and rhodium are used in small amounts to react with the harmful molecules. The reduction of catalysts are platinum and rhodium. They separate nitrogen and oxygen, and they release them as a diatomic molecules. After that, there is platinum and palladium, which use the left out oxygen and mix them with carbon monoxide to form carbon dioxide and unburned hydrocarbons. So here's the magic of our idea. Carbon dioxide is made of one carbon and oxygen and two oxygen atoms. So our aim is to separate the carbon from oxygen. However, we do such an experiment, it can also form a carbon monoxide and oxygen when splitting into half. This can be dangerous, as carbon monoxide is extremely dangerous to the ecosystem. So is oxygen if it is not diatomic. So to do the splitting of carbon dioxide precisely, we need the help of what is called high energy vacuum ultraviolet laser. This laser is very precise and has just enough firepower to split the bond between the carbon atom and two oxygen atoms.
Hi, my name is Tinad. Moving on from Irtaza's point. So now the next step is to understand how to apply this concept to a catalytic converter. The products of the car's chemical reactions is carbon dioxide and water. So the water will be removed and then carbon dioxide will go down the pipe. There we can add a layer of lasers around the pipe. This will allow the process to be carried out successfully where carbon dioxide is split into carbon and oxygen. Setbacks. The first setback is that the technology that we are going to be using in this concept are still under development. So as a result, we believe it won't be easy to achieve 100% efficiency. The second setback is that carbon is formed and needs to be disposed properly. The solution to this problem is to insert a filter that will collect the carbon and transfer them to a container that is accessible. By doing this, we can start a service where certified people will clean the container. Then the carbon can be collected and used for industrial purposes. Now let us discuss the design. The right cylindrical part over here is a layer of lasers pointing towards the center. The orange part over here is the filter, and inside that is the oxidation catalyst. And on the other side we have the reduction catalyst over here. And towards the bottom we have a hole which is a trajectory for the carbon that is not being used. So this is the catalytic design of the Catalytic Converter 2.0. Thank you.